Welcome to Global Trends. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more breaking updates. The ocean has always been a vast and unforgiving battlefield, but a new era is dawning. For centuries, naval warfare relied on sight, steel, and firepower. Now the U.S. Navy is deploying weapons that can perceive, decide, and act with unprecedented autonomy. These are not just guided bombs, they are cognitive tools of war, capable of processing information and making complex decisions on their own. Imagine a missile that can distinguish between a civilian ferry and a hostile patrol boat, or a bomb that finds its target through fog and smoke. This leap is powered by artificial intelligence and advanced sensors, fusing data from radar, infrared, and lasers to build a real-time picture of the battlefield. The decision-making process now happens inside the weapon, compressing the timeline from detection to engagement to mere seconds. As adversaries develop their own advanced systems, the U.S. Navy's smart munitions are designed to maintain a technological edge in increasingly contested environments. This is more than an upgrade, it's a reimagining of naval warfare, setting a new global benchmark. The age of the thinking weapon is here, and it's changing everything. At the heart of this revolution is the RTX Stormbreaker Smart Bomb. Officially the GBU-53B, Stormbreaker is a discriminating hunter, able to strike moving targets on land or sea from over 40 miles away. Its tri-mode seeker, combining infrared, millimeter wave radar and laser guidance, lets it see through darkness, weather, and smoke. The onboard AI processes sensor data, autonomously classifying and prioritizing targets according to mission parameters. Pilots can program Stormbreaker to seek out specific threats, but once released, it finds its own target, ignoring decoys and non-combatants. Unlike older munitions, it doesn't need constant human guidance, thriving in cluttered, chaotic environments. Stormbreaker is also networked with a two-way data link for real-time updates and dynamic retasking mid-flight. If a higher priority target appears, the weapon can be redirected instantly. This adaptability makes it a vital node in a fast-paced, interconnected battle. Stormbreaker isn't just a bomb, it's an intelligent, adaptable force multiplier. A smart weapon needs a capable platform, and for Stormbreaker that's the F/A-18E/F Super Hornet. This carrier-based fighter now carries multiple Stormbreakers, letting a single jet strike several moving targets in one mission. Integrating Stormbreaker required major software and hardware upgrades, plus extensive pilot training. The successful fielding in late 2023 proved next-gen tech could be seamlessly added to the Navy's fleet. But the story doesn't end there. The F-35 Lightning II, the world's most advanced fighter, is next in line for Stormbreaker integration. Pairing F-35 stealth with Stormbreaker's precision will allow deep strikes in defended airspace, undetected. The Air Force already fields Stormbreaker on F-15Es, and soon, Navy and Air Force jets will share this capability, streamlining logistics and boosting interoperability. This multi-platform approach ensures Stormbreaker can be deployed anywhere, by any branch at any time. It's fast becoming the universal tool of American air power. Behind every smart weapon is a vast industrial ecosystem. RTX, formerly Raytheon, leads Stormbreaker's development, blending missile tech, radar, and advanced electronics. Lockheed Martin and Boeing are also key players. Lockheed with the F-35 and its own smart munitions, Boeing with the Super Hornet and JDAM kits. A $7.5 billion JDAM contract in 2024 shows the ongoing demand for precision weapons. But innovation goes deeper. A network of specialized suppliers provides AI chips, composite airframes, and sensitive optics. New partnerships are accelerating progress. Palantir and Anduril, for example, are pushing AI-driven naval systems. These companies invest billions in R&D to stay ahead of emerging threats, from hypersonic missiles to unmanned vessels. The race for smarter, more resilient weapons is relentless, driven by shifting geopolitics. The defense industry titans are forging the tools that will define naval power for decades. The future of sea warfare is being built today, piece by intelligent piece. The drive for intelligent naval weapons is fueling a booming global market. Demand for precision, autonomy, and networking is surging, propelled by rising tensions and modernization. The market is projected to nearly double from $8.4 billion in 2024 to over $15 billion by 2034. North America leads, with the U.S. accounting for over 40% of global spending, thanks to its massive defense budget and focus on tech superiority. Major contracts like RTX's $580 million next-generation jammer highlight the investment in smart systems. Missiles dominate the market, but autonomous vessels and advanced navigation tech are rapidly growing segments. Companies like Saronic are unveiling new autonomous patrol craft, showing the smart revolution extends beyond bombs and missiles. AI and autonomy promise not just better combat effectiveness, but long-term savings and reduced risk to personnel. As Navy's worldwide upgrade, the market for intelligent, interconnected weapons will only expand. Smart weapons like Stormbreaker offer extraordinary precision, minimizing collateral damage and protecting civilians. Their standoff range keeps pilots safe, while autonomy reduces operator workload and speeds up engagements. But these advances bring new risks, especially cybersecurity. Networked weapons are vulnerable to hacking, jamming, or manipulation by sophisticated adversaries. Securing these systems is a constant battle with catastrophic consequences if compromised. There are also profound ethical and legal questions. As machines make more decisions, who is responsible if something goes wrong? Ensuring compliance with the laws of war and maintaining human oversight is critical, even as autonomy increases. The high cost of development, persistent cyber threats, and ethical dilemmas are the price of progress. Navigating these challenges is as important as the technology itself. The future of warfare will be shaped not just by what these weapons can do, but by how wisely they are used. The double-edged sword of progress demands vigilance at every step. The arrival of thinking weapons like Stormbreaker is redefining naval warfare. The focus is shifting from brute force to intelligence, speed, and networked precision. Future battles will be fought at greater distances, with swarms of smart munitions and autonomous platforms overwhelming defenses. Victory will go to those who see, decide, and strike first. Navies must rethink their strategies. Large capital ships may be vulnerable to distributed, smarter threats. The U.S. Navy's investment in Stormbreaker and its integration across platforms signals a new era of interconnected combat webs. This arms race is now about code and processing speed, not just steel and firepower. The fusion of human and machine intelligence is setting the stage for a future where the smartest navy, not the biggest, rules the waves. The thinking weapon is just the beginning. The next chapter in naval warfare is being written now.